Hi everyone, Mike from Skipper Buds. Got a real special treat for you here. This is a pre-owned 2018 50 Cantius, and it's painted in a black diamond style. So technically that's not a factory option. The original owner of the boat had a 45 Cantius prior to that in black diamond, which was an option. And everywhere he went, people would comment. So we actually painted this boat. We've got a fantastic paint shop, emulated a black diamond. So it kind of has a Persian look to it. Brilliant silver, black top. The deck is painted, black rub rail versus white. Blacked out logos up top, blacked out array. Very pretty boat. Let's take a look inside. Taking a look aft, you can see a large U-wrapped seating area with a table. It's a power table, it does go up and down. 2 bar stools. The vanishing window into the entertainment area, into the galley. So this window's down, power actuates up and down. We have walkways on both port and starboard side. Rear joystick. So once, this is on the correct side. So this is on the port side, because theoretically you have a joystick on the starboard side, so I have full view of that side. This will give you a full view backing up and also full view down the side. Here's a nice look at the paint job. You can see how it's done all the way around. Tim and our paint team did a fantastic job with this boat. It's beautiful. Ice maker. Underwater lights, spreader lights, cockpit indirect lights, engine room lights. This also has the this is a sure-shade sunshade, going all the way to the back of the seat here. Beautiful wood finishes, refrigerator, convection oven, sink, cooktop, freezer up top with ice maker, refrigerator below, television entertaining area. A lot of large cabinetry here that opens up. This interior material is referred to as shiitake. It's a really pretty color and wears very, very well. Going to the helm. Large glass cockpit screens. Currently in the boat has 383 hours. Seakeeper is spooling up. Chain counter. Spotlight. Stereo. Bennett trim tab system. Throttle controls. Joystick. Mouse. All your switches. Compass. Ship to shore radio. Nice little edge for your feet for long trips. These side windows will move up manually on both port and starboard side. Gives you great communication to the dock and also a lot of great wind through here. And you tie that in with this large roof. Really, you can even have the experience of boating indoors or outdoors. Take a look downstairs. In these modern day Cantiuses, the master staterooms are probably one of their best attributes. Full beam, large windows, letting a lot of natural light in. The bottom of the windows opens up on both sides, letting a lot of cross-air ventilation in. And I love the view of the waterline. I think it's so calming. One thing I wanted to point out here is this dresser space down here. So people who travel understand how important storage is. Large, deep dresser. Here's the towel package and linen package that is unopened. All these drawers are slow closing, so they won't slam on you. There's also storage underneath the nightstands here. So Cruisers really understands how important that is. And comfort. A lot of headroom. There's your television and soundbar and stereo. Washer dryer combo unit is in here. This leads us to the hanging locker. So this is long enough where you can hang a dress or a suit coat. Also back here, hidden compartment, really easy access for service individuals. So you're looking at a stereo brain box here and an air handling unit. Central vac. And right across the hall is the master head. Nice roomy shower with seat, dry head. That leads us up to the atrium. Which gets us to the day head. Once again, large shower. So 2 heads dry, 3 staterooms. Here's the bunk room. Large hanging lockers here. Television. Lots of light with a porthole to let airflow in. And then the panel is located in here. Main distribution panel. We have windlass, water, fresh water, your waste, your Glomex control, and then all of your switching. Going into the VIP. Large drawers for storage. Very large bed, island bed, with nice step-ups on both sides. Here's access to the day head. A lot of natural light. Television. Once again, another large hanging locker. Here's a nice look aft. There's that sunroof. So this is a unique opportunity for somebody, especially if you want to be unique. The paint job on this boat was probably close to $70,000. So if you want to have a real beautiful boat that's different than anything anyone else has, this is a fantastic opportunity.